This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Suzanne Simpson, bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112. Immaculate home with treetop views. Generously spacious 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home with 2,456 square feet and sitting on 0.26 acres with RV parking. You will be in awe at all of the upgrades in this home, such as new countertops and backsplash, new jacuzzi jetted tub, custom barn door, new paint and beautiful French doors. Many energy-efficient improvements including mini split air conditioner heat system, new exterior windows on the upper floor, gas fireplace, tankless water heater and new electrical panel with 50 amp RV hookup. Expansive open floor plan and incredible windows bring the outdoors inside. Huge master suite with separate office space, walk-in closet and Aspen log bedroom furniture that is included in the sale of this lovely home. Great family room and 2 amazing stone fireplaces, knotty pine and open beam ceilings give this home that true mountain feel. Great neighborhood on a quiet street with 2 decks and fenced courtyard allow for tons of outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. Plenty of storage in this home and also space underneath. This move-in ready home includes all appliances. Enjoy all the amenities Crystal Falls has to offer: 2 community lakes, clubhouse, stables, sports courts, playgrounds and so much more. Many possibilities for this property including full-time residence, vacation home, Airbnb or all of the above. Don't let this one slip away. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzanne Simpson, bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112 at 209-586-5200.